Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer the question how you can clean the mop pad washboard in the Dream X40 Ultra. So in the first step we have to remove the mop pads from the appliance. So just give me a second. Okay. The mop pads are located here. To remove it, just lift it up, it's a magnet. Then you can remove the fabric and now clean it in the water, in the cold water. I do not prefer to use the strong detergents, the small quantity of the foam gonna be okay. Then just put it back like before, connect these two elements and put the mop pads. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.